The sun is shining brightly this morning over Wheelcraft City. All the vehicles are waking up and stretching their tires. Andy the ambulance is yawning as he does his morning stretches. He winks at his best friend, Polly the police car. Subtitles. Good morning, Siren. Good morning, Sky. Polly returns the wink. Subtitles. New day, new mission, maybe. Just then, something magical happens. A scroll tied in a golden ribbon falls from the sky and lands right next to Andy. The vehicles all gasp in surprise. Mimi the music bus is the first to recover. She looks up at the ribbon in the sky where the scroll was attached. Subtitles. Oh, what is that? As the vehicles begin to wonder what the mysterious scroll could be, they all start to sing. Song. Wheels on the bus, go round and round. What is that? What is that? Wheels on the bus, go round and round. What is that? What is that? There's a mystery in the air today. Let's go look and share. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Wheels on the bus, go round and round. What is that? What is that? Wheels on the bus, go round and round. What is that? What is that? There's a mystery in the air today. Let's go look and share. Hooray, hooray, hooray. After the song ends, Andy gets up and slowly unrolls the scroll. The vehicles all gather around him, eager to see what it could be. Subtitles. It's a map, a treasure map from Fix-It Garage. The vehicles all cheer. They're off on an exciting adventure to find the treasure at Fix-It Garage. Subtitles. Let's go, everyone. To the garage, to the garage, to the garage. We're on our way to the garage. As they drive along, Polly the police car looks at the map. She points to a path that looks like a series of tire tracks. Subtitles. Ooh, look, a shortcut. We can follow the tire tracks to the garage. All the vehicles agree, and they head down the shortcut. The camera pans away as they drive off, leaving the viewers with a cliffhanger. Where will the tire tracks lead them? Will they find the treasure at Fix-It Garage? Tune in next time to find out. We found a treasure map in the park today. It's a little damaged, but we can still read it. This is exciting. Let's go. Scene cuts to a garage with a big red door. So the scroll says to follow the signs near the big red wall. I wonder what's behind this wall. Let's take a peek. A friendly-looking blue-haired siren pops up from behind the wall. She has a toolbox on her back and a wrench in her hand. Oh, hello there. You found my secret hiding spot. I'm Sparky the Siren. Wheee-ooo! Adventure time. I love fixing things. Do you have any broken tools or gadgets? I can fix them for you. The mayor appears on top of a ladder. Hold it right there, Sparky. You almost got caught. The Fix-It Garage hides a treasure of knowledge. You must solve puzzles together to find it. Are you up to the challenge? It's time for the ultimate scavenger hunt. So much fun. We're gonna need a bigger boat. Follow the clues. The friends follow the map past colourful buildings, under bridges and through tunnels. Each stop has a clue. This one leads them to a park with a giant wheel. A glowing sign reads, "Where wheels go round but don't get tired." The next clue is hiding, well inspired, fiery. The tires swing at the playground, so they rush over and they spin the wheel. They look around. Wroom Wroom crew, it's up to you. And then they find the second clue. Inside the swing's hubcap, it reads, "To find the next clue, head to the place where the river flows." So they take off again. And this time, they're gonna need a bigger boat because the clue said river, not lake, coming soon. The final clue leads us to the old Fix-It Garage, but something's different. The garage is now glowing with light and music. Mimi says, "This place looks magical," and Andy says, "Let's go inside." When they do, they see that the walls are lined with blueprints, spare parts, and learning screens. And in the center of it all is a pedestal with a golden siren and a note. The note reads, True treasure is not silver or gold, but teamwork, kindness, and stories told. As Mimi and Andy look around, they realize that the real treasure was the friends they made along the way. This is a reminder that the best things in life aren't material possessions, but the memories and friendships we create along the way. The golden siren awakens, and then Andy places Sparky on the pedestal. The golden siren lights up, and a gentle voice echoes. Golden siren, Wroom Wroom team, your unity and friendship have brought light to the city. Keep helping, singing, and learning together. You found the heart of all we do, helping hands and kindness too. This is the treasure, love and care, to spread with joy everywhere. When the music stopped, Andy knew what he had to do. He had to find the heart of the city, the source of its power, and he believed that the golden siren would help him, but he didn't know how. As Andy and his friends looked around the city, they saw something amazing. Every car horn, every police car, every fire truck, even the helicopter blades were turning into musical notes. They were making beautiful music together, and it was leading them right to the heart of the city. Welcome to our brand new Wroom Wroom Learning Center. Last week, the garage was looking a little tired, so we gave it a makeover, and now it's open for business. Come on in, everyone. This will be a place where vehicles and kids can learn, fix, and grow together. From safety to songs, we'll teach it all. And look at this awesome mural. Thank you, Mayor Bell, for making this happen. Thank you, Polly, for the super cool art. And thank you, Fiery, for your endless enthusiasm. Now let's all sing together. Wheels that turn with a happy sound, friends and fun all around. From sirens loud to music bright, we learn and love and shine so right. All characters line up on the stage outside the garage. The kids wave. The final musical number begins. All vehicles together. Where is my siren? It's in my heart, helping and caring, doing my part, zooming and singing. Every new day, Wroom Wroom City, we lead the way. The vehicles and the kids take turns singing and dancing. The music is upbeat and fun. Mimi, I love to use my crane to lift and to swing. I'm Mimi, the fire truck. You can hear me sing. Polly, with my police car, it's my job to enforce the rules. Be careful when crossing. Use your turn signals and don't be a fool. The vehicles and the kids take turns singing and dancing. The music is upbeat and fun. Fiery. Hi there, I'm Fiery, the fire truck. With my hose and my ladder, I'll put out any fire. Safety first, my little friends. Remember what I say. Andy, use your words. Be kind and share and take turns. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. I may be small, but my voice is strong. Look out for others. Sing this song. The vehicles and the kids take turns singing and dancing. The music is upbeat and fun. It's time to help. It's time to play. We're gonna zoom away. It's time to learn. It's time to grow. We're gonna build and grow. It's time for fun. It's time for cheer. We're gonna laugh and sing. It's time for friends. It's time for play. We're gonna ride all day. Sparky. I'm Sparky the fire truck. You can count on me to spread some cheer. When there's a big problem, don't you frown. Make a wish. We'll be there right in town. Together, we make a great team. We work together, we play together. We're all friends forever. In Wheelcraft City, kindness is key. It's easy to be strong and brave, especially when you're with friends. Every day brings something new, something wonderful, something exciting, something for us to do. So come on, kids, from far and wide. Let's learn and grow side by side. With songs and stories and laughter bright, we ride together into the light. The vehicles and the kids take a final bow as the music fades out. All vehicles except the plane are lined up in front of the airport, waving goodbye to the audience. The plane is taking off. Andy the ambulance, waving to the screen. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Polly the police car, To the audience. Stay safe, stay kind, and help each other. Mimi the music bus. To the audience. Keep singing and smiling wherever you go. Fiery the fire truck. To the audience. Remember, real treasure is kindness. Sparky the Siren. To the audience. Wheee-ooo! Time to zoom into our dreams. The plane flies over the vehicles as they continue to wave to the audience. The plane lands at the airport and all the vehicles cheer. Then they line up and begin to move in a synchronized fashion, as if they are a parade. They move towards the camera and the music swells. It's time to say goodbye, but not farewell, because friendship never ends. We'll be back with more adventures soon, so stay tuned. And remember, you can find all of our favorite stories in the sing-along songs. So keep on singing. The vehicles reach the camera and come to a stop. They are all smiling at the audience. Andy the ambulance. To the audience. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us today. We had so much fun exploring the airport and learning about all the exciting jobs that keep it running smoothly. It takes a lot of teamwork to make sure everything runs smoothly. Just like it takes a lot of teamwork to put on a great show. And we couldn't have done it without you. So thank you for being part of our team today. Polly the police car. And remember, no matter where you go or what you do, always stay safe, stay kind, and help each other. Mimi the music bus. That's right. Being kind is the best way to make sure everyone feels welcome and happy. And if we all work together, we can make sure everyone stays safe. Fiery the fire truck. Being safe also means being prepared. So don't forget to always have a plan and be ready for anything. You never know when you might need it. Sparky the Siren. And never forget to have fun. Life's too short not to. So keep on smiling, keep on singing, and keep on being awesome. We'll see you next time. The vehicles all wave to the audience as the camera zooms out and the music swells. The words, "See you soon," appear on the screen along with a picture of a plane taking off and a rocket blasting off into space. The music fades and the screen goes black. The end. Everyone always gets so excited when something ends because it means we finished, we're done, we made it. But do you know what else it means? It means that whatever happened, good or bad, is now set in stone. You can't change the past, but you can learn from it. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes them. Even your teachers and parents make mistakes sometimes. It's what you do when you make a mistake that defines who you are. Do you own up to it? Do you apologize? Do you try to fix it? Or do you just let it happen and hope no one notices? I want you to remember that the best way to avoid making mistakes in the future is to learn from the ones in the past. So next time something goes wrong, take a deep breath, think about what you could do differently next time, and then go out there and do it. 'Cause guess what? The only person you're racing against is yourself.